In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you the new Spaceport universe. Okay, so this is the new version of this game, and I will be teaching you everything that you need to know about Spaceport at this moment of time, how much you can earn, how much money that you need to start, and how do you actually play, and how can you withdraw and also deposit and start into this game as well. But first of all, before that, again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys. And let's just jump right into it, okay? So, Spaceport Universe is a play to earn NFT that you can play whether you are using a PC or you're using a mouse. You can absolutely pay it here. So, this is everything that you need to know here, okay? So, for you to be able to earn money here, okay, you need SPU tokens, okay? And for you to be able to buy SPU tokens, what you just need to do is just copy this contract address, copy this, and then go to the PooCoin or PancakeSwap. It doesn't matter which platform that you're using. And then after you're already here, what you just need to do is go for the trade section and then look for this, okay? So ideally, you actually want to swap your BNB or any cryptocurrency tokens that you have into this platform. So let's say I will swap maybe 0.1 BNB. That's even decent, okay? Let's say just for testing purposes, okay, you actually want to swap this 1 BNB, 0.1 BNB, which is more likely around $40 or $30, I guess. And then you're just going to swap this, okay? You click the swap. You're just really going to pay small gas fee, and then click the confirm. And it will automatically deducted here, and you will receive SPU token, okay? So you see here, I've already done it. And what you just need to do next thing is, of course, you refresh this, okay? You can refresh this, and this is like the new look. I am even surprised that you can do more than what you can do before when you are playing at Spaceport. So there is a SpaceCash over there, and let's just start with the play to earn function right away. So you're just going to press enter if you prefer to use a keyboard, and then go for the world one, okay? Because that is the only available world into at right now. The key difference here is that what do you call that? These spaceships over here, okay? You can now hit this only once, okay? Before, when you are hitting spaceships, it's a lot more harder, right? Because it is a lot more beefy, it's a lot more hard to kill, and now it is a lot more different now because the spaceships right now in Spaceport is now shooting at you, okay? You see that into the right side of my screen, I do have a life ×5, okay? And if you are actually getting this mushrooms over here, you can get what do you call that? An additional life, okay? Which is entirely awesome if you're going to ask me. So you should avoid those, okay? And of course, while you are living a lot more, you are the opponents or like the level gets harder as well, okay? So make sure that if you notice that there is like a timer, like a 3 2 1 every time that I kill, that is the combo, okay? So what happens here is that if you run out of time, okay, you run out of time, and what happens here is you reset back into the previous combos, okay? So that's just how easy it is, guys, okay? Make sure to get also some of these multipliers, because that's going to help us a lot. And you can also use a laser. You can also use a rocket. So you will be able to unlock it soon after you already what do you call that? After you already achieve a specific number of score. Okay, so the good thing here is that it's really a lot more easier, and there is some reports that um, it's a lot more easier for you to be able to get the quota that you have for this day. But as you can see here, I'm pretty much experienced because I am playing this since a while ago. Okay, so I know the basics and everything. So I know how to basically play, how to dodge, how to be able to be more effective in terms of um, what they call that, in terms of shooting these spaceships over here. So oh my god, so you see here that I got some beating. So that's, of course, that is normal. Also, if you are going to place yourself into the rocket where like there is an explosion and you have a circle, you are not actually subjected to reduce of life. So this is a nitro boost, so just a reminder. So you can use it once you have it, you can use it. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm going to end it right now, but let's see if how difficult it is right now than before. So just this is just how fun it is to play this. That's just how easy it is. Okay, you just repeat it all over again. So this is like he is the Elon Dodge. So if you are not aware about it, so that is more like the boss. Okay, that is the boss, and he is really hard to kill because he is really tricky. So this is Elon boss. Okay. Oh my god, dude. This is where you will lose every single. Oh my god. I think I killed her. I killed him. I killed him. So I um if you defeated Elon, it's a lot more easier for you because you will get an additional boost like this. So um you will get a rocket boost, you will get a speed. Oh shit. So I lost at that part already. So I defeated Elon boss. So I got a score like this, and you're just going to save your score. So just that's just how easy it is for you to be able to earn money here. And if you're going to look at the rewards over here, so just click it into the new tab, okay, and submit your username. You need to connect also your wallet first, and you see here that I already got my daily goal. Okay, so I'm going to submit my username, which is Crypto Addict. So I'm just going to submit this, and of course that's just how easy it is. You're going to get 2%, and the higher the money that you have inside, the better, because of course you will get a lot more money in terms of compounding. So this is just how easy it is. So after you've done, okay, you already save your score, you can now go back into the Space Hub. You can go into the SpaceCash shop. So this is the SpaceCash that you have, and you can buy some upgrades here. So you can customize your worlds. You can customize what rockets that you want to use, what kind of lasers that you want to use as well. And just take in note that this won't actually affect, okay? This won't actually affect the money that you've already earned. So SpaceCash is different from SPU. So if you are pretty much not that aware, or you want to have some validations to this kind of informations, you can always refer into their official documentation, which you can directly see at this part right here. And I'm also going to put this into the description box below so that you will be able to for you to be able to learn everything about this. So let's now discuss how you will be able to withdraw your money. Okay, so if you are playing Spaceport before, okay, distributions are being done every 3 p.m. So what does it mean is that you will be able to get, okay, the portion of the money after 3 p.m. okay, at the next day. Okay, so you can always withdraw your money, okay, just by trading it. Okay, so just trade your SPU tokens back into a BNB, and that's just how simple it is for you to be able to get your profits or get your ROI back at this game as well. So also, there's no minimum money required here, but also there's some slippage that you need to pay, which is a lot more better than before, because unlike past few months ago, the slippage was around 22%, and now it is around 12%. I think it can even go down up to 7%, depends on what's going to happen. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you need to know. This is the tokenomics, that like what I've explained to you before. This is the liquidity, this is the price pool, and this is the price pool. This is the development funds as well. So you can find everything that you need to know, including the audit. So they have been audited by Hay Security since 8/27. So 8/27 is like August 27, 2021. They also have a white paper. Like if you have any questions about roadmaps, about the earning potential, because of course this is like the updated version. So if you have $1,000 worth of SPU tokens, you can earn up to $20 a day maximum earnings, and this doesn't include compounding as well. So if you want to include compounding, just go to the calculator side and then go forward here and look for the compound interest. And let's say your initial balance is $100 and your interest rate is 2 daily, and let's say you want to compound it, let's just say 2 months, okay, and compound interval is daily, and you're just going to calculate it, and after 2 months, the future investment value is more likely $333.56, which is more like 233%. Okay, 233%. But actually, the APY is going to go up by $100,000, 100,000%. So that's just more likely 4 zeros after a year. So 4 zeros is more likely going to be 100,000 or even a 1 million. It depends. Okay. So this is everything that you need to know about this game. Again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.